Hello, my name is Daniel and today I'm taking you on a stroll through the beautiful coastal town of Cascais. Walking now on the Praia. This is a coastal path between Cascais and Estoril. It's very nice, it's along the beach. There are lots of places here to sit, to drink, to eat. Tempting, but not yet. This small, secluded beach is called Praia da Rainha, or Queen's Beach, as it was a favorite spot of Queen Amelia in the late 19th century. It's a true hidden gem, right in the heart of town. The catch of the day. So, that's it. Back. Oh, hello, seagull. Here we are at Praia dos Pescadores, or Fisherman's Beach. This is where fishermen once kept their boats and nets. Now it's a very popular public beach and the stage for the annual Festas do Mar festival. Captain Igloo. No, I'm only joking. It was King Dom Carlos I. This is a smaller stage for the Festas de Cascais. Some more food trucks, drinks, shops. Still quiet here, waiting for the party to start later today. Let's go. Now we're entering the Cidadela, an old fortress that has been completely transformed. Inside you can find a hotel, restaurants and many art galleries. It's a great example of history and art blending together. Lots of art galleries here. This is the entrance to the hotel. Galleries there. It's a nice restaurant there. So we're here inside the fortress. A short walk from the fortress is the modern Marina de Cascais. With all the impressive yachts, it's a perfect spot to relax and take in the luxurious side of Cascais. There are some nice boats here, I have to admit. I'm not really a boat or yacht guy, but it's nice to see. Our walk takes us across this bridge, where we get stunning views of the water and the Condes de Castro Guimarães Museum. And just ahead is a striking striped farol de Santa Marta, or Santa Marta Lighthouse. This used to be a lot quieter when I lived here. Farol de Santa Marta, the lighthouse of Santa Marta. arriving now in Boca do Inferno, the mouth of hell, literally translated to English. This is a very nice restaurant. The thing is, we are a bit spoiled for choice. Now we're living in Ericeira. Lots of fresh seafood there as well. No, not much going on here today. If there are some bigger waves, they come crashing through here, and because of the acoustics of this place, it gives a thundering sound, and that is where the name Boca do Inferno, or the mouth of hell, comes from. See, it's pretty calm today, so no look there, but still quite impressive to see, right? I know, this is not the most exciting part of the walk, so let's head back to the park. Let's head back, let's head to the park. This was the entrance to the park I wanted to go to. Oh my god, honestly. Oh, this place has not been open for a while. Maybe here? It used to be open in the past. Probably it's too dangerous now. Yeah. No. We're walking now the same way back. But there was no possibility to enter the park anymore from that side. In the past, it definitely was. But you saw the state of that beer garden. They definitely want everything closed on that side. The cultural center of Cascais. After seeing the main sights, the best thing to do is just wander through the small historic streets. It's wonderful to simply get lost and soak in the atmosphere of this charming town. Here in the center of town is the lovely Jardim Visconde da Luz. It's a popular meeting spot and a great place to feel the town's rhythm. You can't miss the beautiful old-fashioned carousel, which adds a lot of charm to this lively park. It's one of the most iconic streets and scenes in Cascais. Arriving now in Praia Luís Camões. Was a very important Portuguese writer. Let's say the Shakespeare of Portugal. There's always something going on here. This is the busiest square. Lots of places to eat, lots of places to drink. Bit of a tourist trap feel, but then entire Cascais is that basically, so it's always nice here. And this is the man himself, Mr. Luís Camões. Nearing the end of our walk, time to find that cold beer. Cheers, everybody. Ciao, ciao, Cascais. See you next time. Thanks for joining me on this walk. On the right, you can see the route I followed. If you like this video, please click the like button or leave a comment. You can also help me out a lot by subscribing to the channel. Thanks again, and see you next time.